Do you ever wonder how some people type so fast? Like they're barely touching the keyboard? Here's the secret. It's not about typing harder or faster. It's about using the right trick that makes every keystroke count. Today, I'll show you a simple keyboard technique that can instantly boost your typing speed and accuracy. No fancy software needed. Let's start with the basics. Most people use only 2 or 3 fingers when typing. That's fine for short messages. But if you want real speed, you need to train all 10 fingers using what's called the home row technique. Here's how it works. Place your left hand fingers on A, S, D, and F, and your right hand fingers on J, K, L, and semicolon. You'll notice those little bumps on the F and J keys. They're not decoration. They help you find the right position without looking down. Now, the trick. Stop looking at your keyboard. It sounds scary, but once you start focusing on the screen instead of your hands, your brain begins to memorize key positions automatically. This is called muscle memory, and it's the secret behind every professional typist. Want to get even faster? Use keyboard shortcuts instead of your mouse. For example, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, Alt+Tab to switch apps, Windows+D to minimize everything instantly. These small actions save seconds, and those seconds add up fast. And here's a bonus tip. Try websites like typingtest.com or keybr.com. Practice just 5 minutes a day, and you'll see improvement in less than a week. Most people think typing faster is all about speed, but the real key is rhythm, staying relaxed, consistent, and accurate. Once your fingers move smoothly across the keys, the speed naturally follows. So, next time you're typing an email or working on a project, use this trick. Keep your fingers on the home row, stop staring at your keyboard, and let muscle memory do the rest. Before you know it, you'll be typing faster than ever, effortlessly. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.